Hello everyone. Today we will see how to install Spring plugin in Eclipse so that we can run Spring Boot application in Eclipse. So you need to follow the following steps that I'm going to show you. So first of all you need to open the Eclipse. Just open your Eclipse. As we know that Eclipse have a different flavor. That means there are different types of Eclipse available in the market. When you install the Eclipse, that time you will get the option. So for running the Spring Boot application, we have to make sure that our Eclipse should be type this Java, Enterprise, Java, and Web Developer. Go to Help, go to About Eclipse IID, and here please verify that this type of Eclipse should be there. Enterprise, Java, and Web Developers. Because in other type of Eclipse, you will be not able to install Spring Boot plugin. So if you are using any other Eclipse, you need to uninstall that Eclipse and you need to reinstall with this flavor. Okay. So once this is confirmed, then what you have to do, you have to go to help, then Eclipse Marketplace. Okay, before that, let me show you one thing. So when we try to create the project before installing Spring plugin, and you can search here Spring. So you will found nothing while creating the project. There is a no Spring plugin option while creating the project. So that what we have to do, we have to go on help, then Eclipse Marketplace. From here we can install different plugins in our Eclipse. Then in the search box you have to search Spring and just press enter. You will find Spring Tool 4. This you need to install. Which one? Spring Tool 4, and just click on the install. It will start some downloading, some fetching details. Just confirm it. So the process is started. Most of the organization they use Eclipse for running the Spring Boot application because Eclipse is open source. So that we need to know that how to install Eclipse plugin. It will take some time, so we can wait. So as we can see that our Spring plugin is downloaded and it will pop up some window like this. You have to just accept it and just finish. So it will start installing the software. You can see in the right bottom installing software. It will also take some time. While installing Spring plugin, you will get pop-up like this. So just select here and just trust selected. And here you can see the installation is in process. It's almost done, 83%. Okay, so this is important. Once the installation is done, you need to restart the Eclipse. Just click on the restart now. It will restart the Eclipse. Just wait for Eclipse to appear. It's starting. Restart will take some time because it will change a lot of setting internally. So just wait. So as we can see that Eclipse is restarted, and now we can see file, new, and go on the project, and just we can type Spring. So you will find this Spring Starter project. So you can select this Spring Starter project. Then next, then here you can create a Spring Boot project simply. You can just give the name and fill all the details. That's it. It will start working. So here we can install the Spring, and here we can start creating the project. Thank you so much for watching video. I will make another video on how to create a Spring Boot project and what are the details that we need to fill in it. That's it for now. Thank you so much.